wanna tell you something. I've hid it for so long. Now I'm gonna let it all out. Why couldn't I say back then? I blame myself more and more, but now I think I'm running out of time. I cry, I should have told you all about it all. I tried, but I was too scared that it'd go deeper and deeper. The pain goes on and on. The pieces of my past that I just can't rewind. Darker and darker, now I'm here all alone. And now I think that I've broken a heart that I've always wanted to hold. Don't be silent, tell me something. I wanna know how you feel. Tell me now. I don't know what I should do at this point. I'm sorry, and I'm left with nothing but regrets. Should've talked to you more, or leave you alone. Can you tell me what you want?